guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel. This is the one and the only Chikwado space. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing, and also your wonderful comment. I'm seeing all of them. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you, my old and my new subscribers in the house. Today's video, I'll be showing you how I use this oats to make bread. We are actually making oat bread. Okay, I use the oats I have in the house, one packet of natural oats. I blended it now. Then I will have already poured it in a bowl where we are going to do the bread. Now I'm adding sugar. I will be using brown sugar in this oat bread. I will add 4 spoons of brown sugar. Now I will be adding a pinch of salt for taste. I will be adding cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon is very nice in this wonderful recipe, guys. This recipe, I love it because it's so healthy. Now I added baking powder, 1 spoon. I added vanilla sugar. Then I will now add the natron. So I will turn it very nice and allow it to rhyme together. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for joining. Okay, I'll be showing you this step by step. You know, because of this oats, we are going to use banana. You can use any fruit of your choice. You can use banana, you can use apple, but today I'll be using banana. I will also show you how I use apple to do this oats bread. Okay, so I will now mash the banana very well. I will add milk. Okay, just be adding and checking how thick it is, because it is not good to be too watering. I added 1 cup of liquid milk. Now I see that it's not enough. I add another 1. That makes it 2 cups of milk, and this milk is 1.5 fat. Okay, you can use any milk of your choice. Now I have added this banana I mashed. I will go ahead now to mix it together, guys. So keep watching. If you are watched to this extent, you are a wonderful member. I will thank you so much for your support in this channel. Now I will be adding flour. I want this bread to look smooth. I don't want it to look somehow not so smooth. Now I added a little bit all-purpose flour. You can add any flour of your choice, but I prefer this white one. I see that it's not enough. I added a little bit of flour again to make it nice, and it's now good, guys. You can see how it turned to be. It's so nice now. Now we will be greasing the pan we are going to use to make this bread. After greasing it, we are going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on it. Okay, so that it will not get burnt, or it can be easy to come out. So now we are going to be transferring this our dough inside the pan. Guys, the bread is almost there. That's how I got this wonderful and delicious healthy oat bread. Guys, you will thank me later after you try this. This oat bread is so healthy. It's so good. It's when you eat it, it's full. I love it so much, guys. Now I will be using my dirt to decorate it. That is so nice by baking. You can use it to bake. You can use it to do many things. It's just for sweetening, but I will use it to bake now. After adding like 6 or 7 on it, I add it in my oven, guys. Yeah, depending on your oven, just put it in a baking this, and it is done, guys. This is how this oat bread looks like, guys. You can use this one to make a breakfast. You can also use it to do a dinner by drinking your tea or drinking your whatever, guys. You can also use it in between. You can eat it in between meal. It's so nice and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, like, and also give me comment in the comment section. Thank you so much, and God bless you. I will see you next time in our next video. Please share my video. Let this video go viral. Let people also learn how to do their own oat bread at home. I love you so much, and bye for now. Bye.